Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be explaining you commodities trading and further on carry forward the series of commodities trading so that every single person or a beginner who doesn't understand commodities trading can understand right from the scratch and see the good potential of commodities trading which people do not see or has not yet seen in commodities, and further on understand them and trade them accordingly and be profitable in commodities trading. Now let's start off with the basics of commodities. What is a commodity basically? A commodity is basically any good which is being exchanged or traded all around the world which has an economical value. That is the simplest form of definition of commodities in terms of trading, right? Now, where do we basically trade commodities? Because we have NSE and BSE in India to trade commodities. Similarly, commodities are traded in MCX. Right from 9 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. is the timing. MCX stands for Multi Commodities Exchange, right? That is the place where commodities are traded. Now, there are two different types of commodities trading. Non-agricultural commodities over here, and the second one is agricultural commodities over here, right? Now, the terms very much suggest that agricultural commodities means that where the farmers come in and plant them out, and the second one is basically non-agricultural commodities where it has been dug out from earth, right? Or made artificially. Now, the examples are very well given over there. Agricultural commodities are basically cotton, sugar, pepper, etc. Non-agricultural commodities consist of gold, silver, crude oil, or natural gas, right? Mainly, we'll be focusing on non-agricultural commodities trading because these are the commodities which are being heavily traded with good volumes in India, right? Now, coming back further on with the video, that why you should trade commodities. In commodities, price action is at its best. This is the number one reason. Now, why am I saying this? Because there is no manipulation as the entire world trades on it. You can see these patterns of crude oil, which is basically a commodity, and how well the price action is being followed. And this is not just to show you only the successful ones. There are a lot of patterns which you can check it out yourself. And further on as well, I'll be explaining in the video, right? So there is no such freak trades or no manipulation which can be done through any institution or anyone else, right? The entire world trades over here. That is the number one reason. The second reason being that it is a very highly leveraged script or a product where margin required is very low, and it is best for low cap people, which is as low as 10,000 as well. Now, why am I saying this? I'll be also explaining that as well in the further of this video. For now, just keep this in mind is that gold petal only costs around 434 rupees per lot, and silver lot of future silver future lot costs only around 7,296 rupees over here, right? It might change according to the value or the price as well, right? Just remember that the margin is very low, and obviously leverage is a two-way product which is very harmful as well and very rewarding as well if you use it properly. So make sure you watch all the videos ahead so that you understand how do we basically trade commodities and not be bankrupt by trading in the wrong way, right? Coming forward, third reason is best risk to reward ratio for commodities trading. As you can see that, just for an example, that this is a gold chart. So if you take a gold spot chart, your risk would be only 4 rupees per lot and your reward would be 20 rupees per lot. So this is risk to reward as 1:5, right? This is what I'm trying to say in commodities. So even if you have 10,000 and if you just buy one lot of gold, which is around 400 rupees, right? You would be risking only 4 rupees per one lot, which is basically 1% over here. And another reward over here would be around 20 rupees, right? Which is around somewhere 5% of 400 rupees. So that is why there is a very good risk to reward ratio. Similarly with silver as well, if you actually see, there's a very good risk to reward as you see that the triangle pattern has been broken out on the upside. So that is why it has a very good risk to reward ratios in commodities trading. Now, there is a myth of commodities trading which is completely not true, that you have to sit in front of the screen all the time and it is very stressful. To be honest, this is completely wrong because you don't have to sit in front of the screen all the time. All you have to do is, just as I explained to you, you have to wait for the patterns over here, and as soon as they have broken out, you will be adding alerts near the patterns, and when you're notified, you just take the trades, keep your prior orders of targets and prior orders of stop losses, and that is it. So you don't have to sit in front of the screen all the time, and it is neither very stressful at all, because a good trader will always find a way to trade a particular script which is good according to his own terms, right? So this is the overall basics of commodities. In the next video, I'll be explaining you how to trade gold and silver. So stay tuned with the channel. Make sure you do hit the subscribe button and like this video as well, and do comment down below all your queries as well. Just in case if you want to join our channel, the link would be provided right in the description of our Telegram group. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.